If you've been in an accident and need to hire an attorney to help you with an insurance claim, where do you start? Well, Ted Corless, senior attorney for the Corless Barfield Trial Group, is back with us to explain how his firm has a unique perspective on working on your case. Ted, first,
Hello.
let's talk a little bit about your background. You
Sure.
really are a wonderfully qualified person because you've been on both sides of the insurance world.
We spent the first 10 years of my practice representing large companies. In fact, I spent 2 years as a tobacco lawyer representing one of the big tobacco companies, and then have gone on and worked for some of the largest law firms in America. But now we represent a lot of individuals in the Tampa Bay area.
And what's interesting, though, about your services is another resource that you offer, and that's a YouTube channel. Now, we hear YouTube channels when it comes to TV and broadcasting, but I've got to say, this is the first time I've heard a law firm has a YouTube channel. Where'd you come up with the idea?
Well, the idea here is that as lawyers, we find even, most of the legal advertising that you see is not very informative. It's just a bunch of people telling you how aggressive they're going to be. Instead, what we've done is we've built a studio within our law firm.
Wait, you have a studio in your law firm?
Right, we do.
Well, if our studios ever broke down, we're going to be giving you a call, Ted.
Give me a call. It's not far from here.
Anyways.
We just opened a new office right on Linebaugh and Veterans
Okay.
to really serve the West Chase and Carrollwood areas especially. But the idea here is that we're producing a resource where we're videotaping people answering some of the most important questions that people face either with insurance claims or with personal injury matters. It's an opportunity for people to go to a YouTube channel and actually come away with information that they can benefit from. We're of a belief that people are tired of hiring lawyers off of billboards and they want more information.
So let me get this straight. If I run into a problem where I think, oh, maybe I should hire an attorney, I'm not really sure, I can just check out your YouTube channel. I'm going to be able to find the answers right there.
That's right. It's going to be, by the end of the first quarter of 2017, we think we're going to have around 250 videos, and they're going to be answering some of the most common questions that we face now. We invite people in now for free consultations or for phone conferences to deal with those issues. But we're finding so far the videos that we've published have gotten a very positive response.
Well, we've discussed insurance law on a previous segment. We've also discussed insurance law a little bit here. So what are some of the other topics that you do offer, or someone could check out your YouTube channel to gain some knowledge or some insight?
Sure. On the insurance side, you're talking about anything from earth, wind, or fire.
Not the band?
Or the band, right. That's right. Or anything associated with trying to resolve a personal injury matter where you've either been in an auto accident or our lawyers are handling things associated with any kind of injury claim as well.
So I was going to say, obviously we're talking a lot about the YouTube channel and providing that resource. What are some of the other things that you guys pride yourself in helping your clients?
I think a lot of it is the fact that we have more of a boutique environment, kind of if you think about a craft beer, the idea is that we don't take every client that walks through the door, because that way we identify a group of people we think we can have the greatest impact for.
And we always want to try to help our viewers and give them ways to which they can help themselves if they find themselves in a situation. So again, if you're in a situation, whether it's earth, wind, or fire, picking up the phone and calling you may be a smart bet.
Well, if it's an insurance claim, you can know that the insurance companies have lawyers working for them, and so we get involved early, and it's a personal injury matter. We are a firm that actually tries cases. We are a trial firm. In fact, our fastest growing area right now are other law firms that are coming to us and asking us to try their cases for them.
Wow. Well, we really appreciate your time. And if you do want to find more information on Corless Barfield and how they can perhaps help you, we'll go to their website or check out their brand new YouTube channel that we were just talking about.